Hello friends, in this video let us see how to make simple and easy shrimp biryani. These are the ingredients needed to make shrimp biryani. This shrimp biryani is easy to make and it is a delicious treat at any time of a day. Marinate shrimp with salt, chili powder, ginger garlic paste and lemon juice for at least 30 minutes before starting the biryani. Take a heavy bottom pan, add oil to it, add the marinated shrimp and cook until it is half done. Transfer shrimp to a plate when it is half cooked. Soak the basmati rice in water for a minimum of 20 minutes so that the rice will be cooked perfectly and will be long grained. Add ghee to the remaining shrimp salted oil as it gives a really nice taste, flavor and aroma to your biryani. Add the whole spices to it and saute it for a minute. Add 2 sliced big onions and 2 green chilies at this stage. Saute them for at least 10 minutes. Add a little bit of salt to the onion as it helps to cook the onion really faster. After 10 minutes, see how the onion turns really golden brown. This onion base gives a really nice flavor to your biryani. At this stage, add 1 big sliced tomato and saute it for about 2 minutes. The tomato takes really quick to cook. Now add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and saute it for a minute. When the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away, let's add the masala powders to the base. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, chili powder, biryani masala and coriander powder. Adjust the spice levels to your taste. Add the salt to taste. Now add a handful of coriander leaves and mint leaves as it gives a really good flavor to your biryani. Now add 3/4 cup of yogurt to this base as it gives a really smooth creamy texture to the biryani base. If you don't like yogurt, you can skip it and you can add a little bit of lemon juice to enhance the flavor. Strain the soaked basmati rice without water and add it to the base. You can smell the aroma even before the biryani is done. Mix the rice and the base really slowly. You should not doing it really fast as it breaks the rice. You can add if you need extra salt at this time. Add water with 1:1 ratio. If you use 1 cup of rice, add 1 cup of water to it. Add few lemon drops if you really like that spicy and tangy biryani. Now add the half cooked shrimp. Add each and every drops of leftover oil as it gives a really flavor of that shrimp. Close the lid and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes in low flame until the water evaporates. At this stage, switch off the stove and give a gentle stir to the biryani. Let's keep a quick dum. Cover the pot with a plate and place a heavy pan on the top. Just let it be like that for 15 to 20 minutes and the rice will be really cooked together with the shrimp and all the masalas and you get that yummy biryani. Just see how yummy is it. It smells really good and it tastes extremely yummy. Enjoy it with the side of your taste. Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Anikomb.